Yeah, good evening, everyone. In the last videos, so we started a new batch on logic based programming. Okay, the duration of the course is 45 days. That means we are going to spend 45 classes. The timings of this session is from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Tentatively, this is the timings, sir. Maybe I'm going to shift this batch to 9:30 very soon. Okay. Maybe after 1 week or 2 weeks, I will shift this batch to 9:30. Okay. So the class days will be from Monday to Friday. And definitely you need to make arrangement to attend the classes on weekends also. Maybe alternative weeks we are going to spend on weekends also. And the fees for this batch is 2500. So if you have programming skills in C language or C++ or Java or Python or JavaScript, then only you can able to rule the IT industry. Okay. So yesterday I explained very clearly about the structure of our course, all these things. So here we are going to take one hacker rank link. In this we are going to practice all the programs. Total how many programs we are going to cover? 350 programs we are going to cover. Yesterday I have given the complete information about this. If any student is new to this today's class, don't worry. So the videos are already uploaded in our YouTube channel. Okay, the videos are already uploaded in our YouTube channel. Just you can able to open our YouTube channel and you can refer that videos. Just a second, I will share you that links. I will share you so that it will be useful for you. Yes, just to go to our website, I mean our YouTube channel. So here just you, if you go to the playlist, there you can see logic based programming like that we have. And this is nothing but the yesterday is nothing but the first class.
बिल्कुल ट्रेंड टिकट है सर.
Second class, sir. Today is the second class. The total videos, okay, we are going to upload in this YouTube link. If you want, just I will share this link for you people also. Maybe it will be useful, so for revision purpose. Okay, right. And coming to the today's session, already we discussed everything in the last videos. So this is nothing but logic based programming sample. Okay, sample hacker rank link. So since for demo purpose, whatever programs I am going to explain, I will explain in this hacker rank link. But once if our regular class got started, immediately we will change that link. Okay, right. Sir, these are the things whatever we covered in the last video. If you are clear with this, I will start today. We will discuss some programs. Okay, sir, up to this, do you have any doubts? Do you teach the programs only or concepts also? No, only programs. You must have an idea about the concepts, because it is not a programming language session. It is nothing but a problem solving sessions. Can you please confirm everyone clear up to this whatever I covered, so that we will go with the programs? Prerequisite is any programming language. Okay. Now, sir, today, if you take hacker rank link, how to open that hacker rank link? Go to any browser. Okay, go to any browser. So just you have to paste the link, sir. hackerrank.com/lbp test, logic based programming test. So by clicking on this enter contest, so you will be entered into this particular hacker rank main page. And here you can see the challenges. So as of now, for today's session, how many challenges I updated? 1 2 3 4 challenges are there. In today's session, we are going to solve all these 4 challenges. Okay, let us go with one by one. What is the first challenge here? We have program number 001. So already I copy pasted the programs here. Just we will analyze these problem statements. What is the first problem statement that we have? Welcome message. We have to implement a program to read a username from the user and display welcome message. Sir, what is your task? You have to read username from the user, sir. Okay. For example, if the username is Prakash, we have to read that name from the user. So next what we have to do, we need to display that name as it is on the screen along with welcome message. That is nothing but your requirement. So now here, so sample test cases we need to analyze, but before that, let us give some examples. Suppose if the given input is a Prakash, okay, Prakash. If the given input is a Prakash, the expected output is welcome followed by Prakash. So if the given input is Prakash followed by Babu, the output which we are expecting is nothing but what? So welcome. So Prakash, okay, Prakash followed by Babu. Like this we have. Okay. For the given inputs, we have to generate output in this state. This is nothing but our requirement. Sir, how to implement this in different programming languages? Sir, if you take C language, how to print the data, sir? We have printf function is there. Okay. And how to read the data, sir? We have scanf function is there. So in Java, if I want to read, if I want to display anything, we have system.out.print is there and println is there. How to read the data? We have scanner class is there. So in Python, how to read the data? How to print the data? We have print function is there. So how to read the data? We have input function is there. By using these combinations, we can prepare. But don't worry, it is a normal basic program, right? So I will explain in C language how we can able to do this program, in Java how we can implement, even in the Python also how we can implement. I will explain. Sir, can you please confirm up to this whatever I covered, the basic example I explained, is it clear for you people? Please confirm. Any doubts, friends? Please confirm. I request everyone to please respond. Right. So now we have to see how to implement this program in C language. How to implement this program in C language? Very simple, sir. I'm going to take this program, try again. Okay. And you can see here, implement a program. Okay. Implement a program. So to read username and display welcome message on the console. Okay. Input is nothing but what? Read the username. There is no constraints. Output message is nothing but what? Welcome message you need to print along with name you have to take. Example, if the admin is the given input, welcome admin we need to get. If Prakash is the input, welcome Prakash we have to expect. If Prakash Babu is the input, the expected output is Prakash followed by Babu. So we have to implement this program in C language first. Let us see how you can able to do that. So we have already everything is there. Just we need to execute. Okay. Let us see. So here already they have given the template, right? Already they have given the template. So your task is what? Just you need to declare some data, whatever you need to read from the user, and you have to cross check. And what type of data we are working here? Since name means a group of characters, I am taking character name of maximum. It contains how many characters? 100 characters. Like that I am declaring maximum How many characters it is going to store? 100 characters. Now I want to read that data from the user. Sir, scanf, can you please tell me in C language which format specifier we are using to read the value of a string from the user? Anyone having idea? Yes, please respond. Which format specifier we are using? Very good. Percentage, yes. Percentage, yes, I am taking. Sir, comma, we have to take name. No need to use ampersand symbol because it is a string, right? Directly we can read. Now what they are expecting? Printf welcome message. Along with this we have to print that name. So welcome message, along with that we have to print the name. Now I am going to run the code. Sir, is the code is going to execute or not? Sir, first test case, are you seeing here? The first test case got completed. Whatever expected output is there, even your output got matched. Even for the second one is also it is working, but third one is having some issue. If you open this, so expected output is welcome followed by Prakash Babu, but your output is welcome followed by Prakash. Means what? It is not taking the second word. This is nothing but the point that you need to remember. So in C language, if you are taking percentage yes, what is the meaning of that? It is going to read only a single word. It is going to read only a single word. So if you are trying to read more than one word, it won't accept, sir. That is nothing but the problem what we are going to face with the help of C language. Sir, how we can able to overcome this? How we can able to overcome this? Very simple. We can overcome this by using some special modifier is there. By using that we can able to overcome. So I will show you how you can able to work with that. Okay, sir, everyone clear up to this? What is the problem? Why we are getting that error message? Is it clear? Please confirm, everyone. Sir, clear up to this? Right. So now here in the place of percentage yes, in the place of percentage yes, if you are taking percentage yes, it will read. Okay, remember carefully. If you are taking percentage yes, it is going to read only string, sir. Okay, it is going to read only string excluding spaces. Okay, so excluding spaces it will take. Means if your input is so Prakash followed by Babu, so it will take only Prakash. It is not going to take Babu, it will take only this one. That is nothing but the problem with percentages. Sir, I want to read this total data. Is there any other option? Yes. In the place of percentages, you have to take a percentage. So cap of a slash n, like this you have to take. Cap of a slash n, like this you have to take. Sir, what is the meaning of this cap of a slash n? Very simple. Until getting next line character, try to read the data. So when we are going to give slash n, once if the line got completed, it will come to the next line, right? So this scenario is called as slash n. So up to this, whatever data you are giving, whether it is having spaces or two spaces or anything, try to read the data. That is the meaning of this. So when you are reading multi-word characters, multi-word strings, you have to take a cap of slash n like this. Now, is it going to take including spaces or not? Yes. Let me run. Is the third test case is passed or not? You can cross check. Yes, perfectly it is passed. And submit the code. Sir, first time it will ask like this. Just don't ask me again and click on yes, submit my code. You can see total I have given 6 test cases. Sir, how many test cases I have given for this problem? 6 test cases I have given. All the 6 test cases got a success. This is the way how you can implement this program in C language. Sir, everyone, are you feeling comfortable up to this? Please confirm. Do you have any doubts? Sir, are you clear with this? Please confirm. Is the C language implementation of this program, is it clear? Right. So same thing I want to implement in Java. Okay. Same program I want to implement in Java. Let us go with Java implementation. I want to go with Java implementation. Sir, how to implement this program in Java? Very simple. I am going to take this problem statement and just I am going to select Java. Okay. So first we are going to read scanner obj is equal to new scanner of, we are taking system.in. Okay, we are activating one input device. Scanner class is there. We are just activating that. Sir, after this, what we are doing? I am taking string s is equal to. So in scanner class, there is one special method is there with name next line. What is the name of the method? Next line. Just we are reading that. Sir, and then I'm going to print system.out.println welcome followed by space plus that string whatever you accepted. But for our convenient purpose, let us consider the input whatever we accepted is nothing but the name. Only 3 lines of code. What is the first line? I created a scanner class object because by using this object only we have to read the input. Second one, we declared a name variable and we are reading the value from the user. So whatever the user is giving, that entire line it is going to take and that line will be stored inside name. And we are printing this welcome followed by name. Let us run the code. Sir, are you seeing all the 3 test cases got a success or not? Yes. Sir, here we don't have any issue with the next line. I mean, is it going to read multi-line words or not? Yes. Like C language, here we don't have any problem. Happily, it is going to read multi-words also, no problem. And submit the code. Right? You can see here, all the test cases got successfully executed. Hope you people got a very clear idea. So do you have any doubt in this Java implementation? Yes, Krishna. Next is going to accept only single word, but next line is going to accept more than one word. Okay. Sir, please confirm everyone. Please don't sleep in the class. Please be active and tell me, is it clear up to this? Sir, clear up to this? Right. So next one, what we have here is we need to go for Python implementation. Let us see how we can able to implement the program in Python. So how to implement in Python? Let us go with the problem statement and I am going to take Python here. So name is equal to, just we are going to take input. That's all. In Python, we have input function is there to read a dynamic value from the user. Sir, it is going to read the dynamic value from the user. Okay. So can I print welcome followed by common name automatically? Automatically, whatever name that you are giving, that name will be printed after welcome. That's all. Run the code. Is it going to work? Perfectly working. Submit the code. Yes. So in Python also, we don't have any restriction like we can read a single word or two words like that. We don't have any restrictions. Directly input function is going to read the total line as it is. In Java, next line is there to read the data. So in C language, we have that slash n, something like that we have to take manually. So I think this is the new concept that you have learned in this today's session. This is nothing but the first program what we have, how to print a welcome message on the screen. Okay. Hope you people got a very clear idea. Any doubts, friends? Please confirm. Please confirm. Yes, you can take that, Krishna. Just I am sharing this link. Okay. So after completion of the class, just you can log in with this your Gmail ID and you can practice. Okay. Right. So the next program, okay, the next program, what we have here, we have seventh program is there. So anyway, first we will see here. What is the seventh program here? We have, if you see, three numbers addition. Sir, what is the task, sir? We have to accept three space separated integers and perform addition of those three numbers. Okay. So what is the input here? Three space separated values we have to give. And what is the next one that we have? So we need to take right. Sorry. So three space separated values we have to give. And what is the output they are expecting? Addition of those three integers we have to print. So if we are taking the first number as a 10, second number as a 20, third number is a 30. If you are taking like this, what is the output that we are going to get? Okay, addition of these three values. So what is the result that we are expecting? 10 plus 20 will become 30. 30 plus 30 will become 60. Like this we are going to get. Suppose if the input is 11, 22 and then 11. So what output we are going to get? So 33 plus 3, 11, 44 we are going to get. This is nothing but what we have. So how we can able to implement this program? I will explain. Sir, what is the logic here? Can I say we have to read three integer values, let it be a comma b and c. We have to print a plus b plus c. But how to implement this program? In C language it is very easy. It is very easy to implement. Even in Java also it is very easy, but in Python we have to follow some trick, then only we can able to read. So, but up to this, whatever I covered, is it clear? Is the logic of this program? Is it clear? Please confirm. If the logic is clear, I will go with implementation. Please confirm everyone. Yes, please respond. Clear up to this? Right, sir. So how you can able to perform addition of these three numbers? In the C language implementation, I will explain. Sir, you can see some sample test cases. If the inputs are 1, 2, 3, your output is a 6. If your inputs are 2, 3, 4, your output is 9. If inputs are 10, 11, 12, output is 33. Like that we have. So in C language, we are going to read three values, sir. So compulsory you have to declare three variables. Let it be A, B, and then C. After that, we are going to read the value of A. We have to read the value of B. We have to read the value of C. So in C language, to perform this activity, in the place of a percentage yes, in the previous program, since we are working with string, we have used a percentage yes. Now we are working with integers. That's why we have to take percentage D. Okay, like that we have. So this is nothing but what we have here. Now we have to print the result. So printf percentage D comma, I am taking A plus B plus C. That's all. We are calculating the values of A plus the value of B plus the value of C. These three values we are adding and we are printing the result. That's all. Now let us run the code and check how it is going to work. If you run the program, you can see all the three test cases got correct. And even if you submit the code, the remaining test cases also satisfied. Hope everyone got clarity about this. Okay. Sir, how to implement in Java? Let us take even Java implementation also. In Java also same steps we have to follow. I am opening the problem statement. Okay. And I am selecting the programming language as a Java. Then what we have to do? Sir, scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of, within bracket I am giving system.in. Then integer a is equal to obj dot next int, and integer b is equal to obj dot next int, and integer c is equal to obj dot next int. Like this, how many inputs we are reading? We are reading three inputs, and we have to add these three values. System dot out dot println a plus b plus c. That's all. We are performing addition of these three numbers. And if you run the code, you can see all the three test cases got completed. If you submit the code, you can see the remaining test cases also got completed. Yes. So how we implemented in the C language and Java? Are you clear with these two implementations? Please confirm. Clear, right? Right. Now we will see how we can able to implement this program in Python. Okay, how you can able to implement this program in Python, we will see Python implementation. Let us go with Python implementation, sir. So here you can see just I am taking Python code. In Python, sir, we don't have any three A value, B value, C value. Like we can't read separately. You have to read in a single format. Okay. How we are going to read in a single format in the sense? So do you know input dot? Okay, input dot split based on space, because these three these three numbers my Python is going to treat like a single string, single string. So now I'm using split method. That's why 10 will be separated, 11 will be separated, 12 will be separated. So can I take for each I value in the input, just I'm taking int of I, so that what will happen? I'm converting the given input into integer. A comma B comma C is equal to, so like this in the tuple format I'm going to take. So you have to understand this concept. So the input, it will be accepted in the form of a string. From that I am going to use a split, so that this entire string will be treated as three individual values we are going to get, and from that we are going to select one by one item and we are converting into integer. So those three values we are assigning to A comma B comma C. And after this, what we have to do? Just you have to add these three values like A plus B plus C. If you run the code perfectly, it is going to calculate addition of these three numbers. And if you submit the code, you can see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. I think you people got clear clarity how you can able to work with this. Okay. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this, whatever I covered? Any doubts, friends, in these two programs? Right. Yeah. We will provide these running notes, sir. Don't worry. So up to this, yeah, in Python, see what we are doing. In the Python, the problem here is it won't read the data directly, sir. Okay, it won't read the data directly. That's why what we are doing, we are converting the given input. We are converting the given input into string format. Here you can see the data will be accepted in the form of a string, and by using this split, we are going to convert. Sir, now what will happen? If the given input is a 10, 20, 30, initially, this entire data will be treated as a string. Now we are splitting that string based on space. Means what? We will get a list. In that, 10 will be represented as a string, 20 will be represented as a string, 30 will be represented as a string. From that, I am taking one by one object and I am converting into integer, and I am pushing into the tuple. So 10 will be converted into integer, 20 will be converted into integer, 30 will be converted into integer. So in the tuple, how many values we have? Three values. Sir, can I take A comma B comma C is equal to like this? Yes, automatically 10 will be copied to A, 20 will be copied to B, and 30 will be copied to C. Like that we are going to have. So how many values are there in the tuple? Those many values you have to take in the other side. Then only it can able to accept. Okay. I think you people got a very clear idea about this. Can you please confirm? Do you have any doubts up to this, whatever we covered? Please confirm. Who asked this doubt? Is it clear, Srinivasalu? Right, good. Anyway, the remaining things, okay, remaining tomorrow we are going to discuss a few more programs. Like there is one interesting programs like coffee cups, neo number. These things I will explain in the tomorrow's session. Okay, right, sir. That's all about today's session. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Thank you.